Hey everyone, long time no video. Today we're doing a couple of accessories for the Model Y. I've got some side door guards for the back seats over here, and also received the following from our friends at Halo Blk: a cup holder and some alloy pedals. Let's check it out. Pretty cool. I love this. It is awesome. Let's get a sketch. Might stick that on my computer. Oh, awesome stickers. Neat. Some instructions. How to install it. Pretty straightforward enough. Appreciate that. Oh, look at this finish. I love this. Looks very tech. So I'm guessing it slips right in. Similar to this. Yeah, we'll check out how to install this later. I really like the look of this. Somewhat off-white Gundam. Pretty cool. Also love the teal. On the box. Again, this is such a nice touch. It looks really cool. I love it. And you know, all Tesla owners understand the pain behind the cup holder being such an odd size. Things never fitting properly. Things falling over because it's just so loose, so hopefully this helps fix that. Let's check it out. So here's the cup holder. Okay, let's see. Okay, actually, you know what? Here, without the cup holder, woo! So when you're driving, you just kind of bounces around like this, shakes it up. It's always been a big issue of ours, where, as you can see, there's a lot of spillage that has occurred here, especially with our coffees. But you know what? With this, I feel like this would solve everything. Oh, what a fit. Nice finish. This looks really good. This feels really good. Nice material. And it sits really well with the whole middle area. Even the color. Great finish. Love it. Okay, now let's stick this cola back in there. Boom. Very little movement, and not too tight either, just right. Whoop. Oh, this is amazing. I'm gonna also take a video later with a coffee cup. I guess I just have to buy coffee now. This is great. I love this. Thank you so much, Halo Blk. I highly recommend this to everyone. Having a cup holder fitter, I think it's a game changer. I'm always worried that my things will spill, especially because it's such an odd size, the actual cup space, but having this fitted there, nice finish, really kind of good grip on the actual bottle. And you know, if it spills, it'll be easy to clean. I'm excited. So these are the current pedals, and now we're going to apply the Halo Blk pedal fit cover over it. Alright, let's pull this apart and then it'll slide right in, so let's give that a go. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. Laser engraved. Rubber finish. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to remove the original cover. Like so. Big thank you to our friends at Halo Blk. Halo Blk? I think I've been saying it wrong. It's Halo Blk. A big thank you to the crew there for sending us the cup holder and the alloy pedal. Really big fan of this cup holder. I'm going to be putting hot chips there, even probably soup, because it's a food grade silicone. If you also want to eat hot chips straight from your cup holder using this cup holder, check out their website. It is haloblk.au, and you can use my promo code LuiGear, LUIGEAR, link down below, and you'll get 10% off your purchases from their website. So thanks again to the team over there, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and help me get to that 1,000 subscribers benchmark. So I want that thing.